Praktikum Basis Data 2, Bab 7, Exception Handling. Objectives. After completing this lesson, you should be able to follow the following: define PL/SQL exception, recognize unhandled exception, list and use different types of PL/SQL exception handlers, trap unanticipated errors, describe the effects of exception propagation in nested block, customize PL/SQL exception message. Example: set server opt on, declare lname virtual 15, begin, select last name into lname from employees where first name John, depends of put line John is last name is lname n. This is the other example. Handle exception with PL/SQL. An exception in an error PL/SQL that is raised during program execution. The exception can be raised implicitly or by Oracle server, explicitly by the program. An exception can be handled by trapping with the handler by progressing into calling environment. Trapping exception. The example is the syntax is exception when exception 1 statement, then statement when exception 3 or exception 4, then statement when others, then statement. Guidelines for trapping exception. The exception on keyword start the exception handling section. Several exception handlers are allowed. Only one handler is processed before leaving the block, when others is the last close. Trapping define Oracle server error. Reference the private name in the exception handling routine. Sample the private exception. No data found. Too many rows. Invalid console. Zero defined. Double on index. Trapping non-predefined Oracle server error. The non-association declare associate declaration. Reference exception section. Exception section. Non-predefined error. Trap Oracle server error number cannot insert null. The number 1 is insert exception. Number 2, fragment exception into insert except the number. The number 3 is when insert except. Function for trapping exception. SQL code return the numeric value for the error code. SQLRM returns the message associated with the error number. Function for trapping exception. Example: declare error code number, error message virtual number, begin blah blah blah, exception blah 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 when others roll back, error code, error message. Trapping user defined exception. Declare erase reference. When declare declaration section, name the exception. When raise executable exception. When reference exception handling section, handle the raise exception. Trapping user defined exception. The shortcode is in that picture. Propagating exception in a subblock. This is the subblock can handle an exception or pass the exception to the enclosed block. The raise application error procedure. The syntax is raise application error number message true or false. You can use this procedure to the issue user-defined error message from stored subprogram. You can report error to your application and avoid returning unhandled exception. The RISE application error procedure used in two different places, executable and exception section. Returns error condition. RISE application error. Executable section. Begin blah 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 delete from employee where manager ID equals vmanager if blah 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 and if. Exception section. Exception when no data found, then RISE application error. The code manager is not valid employee. And summary. In this lesson, you should have learned how to define PL/SQL exception, add an exception section to the PL/SQL block to deal with exception at runtime, handle the different types of exception, predefined exception, non-predefined exception, user-defined exception, propagate exception in nested block, and call application. Kita akan mencoba latihan soalnya. Pertama, jalankan program yang ada pada slide selanjutnya. Kita akan mencoba satu percobaan program. Kita copy. Kita coba di Oracle. Kita execute, mencoba gajinya misal 10. Continue. Ternyata in file identifier, ya ini adalah hasilnya. Terima kasih, ini akhir tutorial dari saya.